What do you two bolt bags want?
Oh, my own talk show, long blonde hair, taste buds.
But that's not why we're here. We seem to have misplaced Dr. Eggman. Did you and he perchance battle yesterday?
Oh, we battled all right. I remember like it was yesterday.
It was yesterday.
What was?
I've got you now!
Oh no, I guess we have no other choice but to give up. Hey, that's not how it... Shh.
I'll handle this. Now, you've made me mad.
What a dreamboat!
I want to be just like you when I grow up.
Knuckles, you've been elected governor!
All in a day's work.